Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, Sukhoi 30 MkI 1 will be more Indian than Russian after the upgrades. In a significant boost to India's self-reliance in the defense sector, the Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary, has announced that the upcoming upgrade of Sukhoi 30 MK1 fighters will transform them into the truly Indian craft. The ambitious project undertaken by HAL will witness the replacement of nearly all major components and systems in the first tranche of 84 aircraft, leading to an incredible 78% indigenization. Next. In Netra MkII AEW&CS program, an update. ADS Spain has secured the coveted role as the lead contractor for the conversion of 6 pre-owned A321 aircraft procured from Air India into the Netra MkII airborne early warning and control systems for the Indian Air Force. Next. Nag Missile Procurement RFP issued by Indian Army. Bharat Dynamics Limited is anticipating a request for proposal from the Indian Army for the procurement of the indigenously developed Nag anti-tank guided missile ATGM following the successful completion of trials earlier this year. BDL expects orders for the Nag missile to be placed by 2025. Next. Bid submitted to buy for India to buy 26 Rafale marine jets by France. In a significant development, France has submitted its response to India's tender for buying 26 Rafale marine jets for the Indian Navy's aircraft carriers INS Vikrant and INS Vikramaditya. The response to India's letter of acceptance has been submitted by France in New Delhi, defense sources told ANI. A team of French government officials dealing with military sales to foreign countries has flown over from Paris to submit the response to Indian tender, they said. Next. Indigenous Doppler weather radar installed in Kalpakkam. In a significant stride towards self-reliance in meteorological technology, India has achieved a milestone by installing its own Doppler weather radar in Kalpakkam. Historically reliant on imports for such advanced equipment, the nation has demonstrated its prowess in scientific and technological innovation through this collaborative effort by the Indian Space Research Organization and the Department of Atomic Energy. Next. 6 patrol vessels with drones to be bought. Deal signed. The Defense Ministry on Wednesday signed a 1,614 crore contract with Mazgaon Dockyard Shipbuilders Limited for procurement of 6 next-generation offshore patrol vessels for the Indian Coast Guard. The acquisition of the platform is aimed at boosting the Coast Guard's capability towards maritime security, the Defense Ministry said. Next. Parliament suggests to enhance budget for defense research. A parliamentary standing committee on Wednesday recommended high budgetary outlay for research and development in the annual defense budget in line with India's aspirations to become a global leader in manufacturing of military platforms. Next. India and EU deepen defense ties as authoritarian threats rise. Defense and security cooperation is taking center stage in the India-European Union relationship driven by the shared challenges posed by authoritarian regimes around the world. This sentiment was echoed on Tuesday by Nathalie Loiseau, head of the influential Security and Defense Committee of the European Parliament. Thank you.